Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a new Gucci item. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel, I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so I'm going to unbox this product with you guys. I have not seen it. I have been waiting for this product for so long. Like, I ordered this product, I believe mid-December, if I'm not mistaken, mid-December, end of November. It's been that long and it's actually still on back order. I just happened to check Find in Store, found a store near me that told me that they would be able to ship it for me. So I literally just received this product and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So like I mentioned to you guys in the intro, this item is a Gucci item. I am just going to start unboxing. And this is how it came wrapped. Not sure if you can tell what it is. I literally saw this item and wanted it immediately. Like, I can see myself wearing this all of the time. Yes, I know it's pretty much a trendy item, but honestly, I don't mind if I know I'm going to get use out of a trendy item. So this is you probably can tell already, but these are a pair of Gucci tights. Not sure, trying to open it here, but probably can't see it. I probably have to, and this actually feels like quality. That was one of my concerns, like, will it feel like it has quality to it? And this actually feels really good. So not sure if you can, there you go. There's the GG logo. I cannot wait to wear these. I got them in a size large. Just because, one, it's the biggest size and I didn't mind if it's a bigger size and I put it on and there's a little extra room. I can always pull it up and leave the extra up top. One thing I did not want is it to be too tight. Like, I'm not a fan of items that are too tight. I used to do that in the past in my younger days. Now that I'm older, I lean more to the bigger things that I can work with. Like, you can work with items that are bigger for you than you can with items that are smaller for you. So I decided to get these in a large and I cannot wait to try them on, show you guys outfits with them on. And I'm really excited that they're just really like good quality. I expected like this, I don't know what I expected, but yeah, these are pretty good quality. And these tights were $100, which I know is crazy pricey for tights. However, they are Gucci tights, so you are paying for what they are. They're Gucci, you're gonna pay more. We know that. If you don't like that, don't purchase them. You don't have to. But I like them and that's just that. And I love the band. Like, can you see? There goes my paper, but if you can tell, it says Gucci all on the band, which I think would look so nice for those girls that wear like crop tops and maybe some boyfriend jeans and have this on top, the Gucci. If you're like a logo queen or you just love showing that kind of stuff, then you can have this kind of showing on the top. I don't wear crop tops, so I can't really show you an outfit like that, but I can tell you this would probably look dope. But yes, this was a quick unboxing. I just wanted to show you and unbox this product with you. And now to the word of the day. So the word of the day, guys, is believe. Believe in yourself, believe in who you are, believe in your purpose in life. Who best to believe in than yourself? Hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm gonna be sharing and creating a video on these tights, using them as outfits. So if you think that kind of video would interest you, then please stay tuned and check it out. Give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe. Until next time.